Hi everyone, this is Sarai Lopez. I am going to show you how I use Quizizz in my classroom. First, you go to the website and you sign up. It's totally free. And then you sign up with your account, could be Google account or whatever account you decide. And then here is my page. I sign up with my Google account, and then you have all these subjects that you can add to your page. And for example, in this case, I'm going to choose math, and you're going to type first grade. For example, in this case, I'm going to type first grade math, and it's going to give you different activities that you can do. You can have any subject, any grade level, and it is fun to use and easy. Your students just need to get a code. When you click on the activity, it's going to give you a code. You just go to live game, click on live game and proceed. And this code is the code that your students are going to type. They go to the same website and they click on the students to play a game, join a game, and then they just need to type. You will see all your participants here. And when everybody is connected to your game, you just click start and they will start at the same time. And it is easy, it is very competitive. Your students are gonna love it because on the screen, if you have an active board, you can show how many students are in, and they can see how well they are doing. At the same time, they are playing and taking the quiz. So I hope you try this tool. It is very fun and useful for the teachers to assist the students. Bye-bye.